we are expected to find the value of this beautiful question. Let me take this to be equal to I. The question is integral 0 to 1 over 2, 1 positive root of 3 divided by x positive 1 raised to the power of 2 times 1 negative x raised to the power of 6. The entire component is raised to the power of 1 over 4. Now what I wish to do is, I would like to first manipulate this. Now I want to bring in 1 positive x within 1 negative x raised to the power of 6. So for that, what I wish to do is, I would like to multiply 1 positive x raised to the power of 6 and divide by 1 positive x raised to the power of 6. Of course, I already have this 1 positive x raised to the power of 2. Now I also have this 1 negative x raised to the power of 6. Okay, fair enough, all these components are there. Now this is entire component is raised to the power of 1 over 4. Now I can club these two together, write it as 1 positive x raised to the power of 8 multiplied with 1 negative x raised to the power of 6, and I can push this 1 positive x raised to the power of 6. So this is raised to the power of 1 over 4. So this is how it looks. Now if I were to bring this out, this is going to be 1 positive x raised to the power of 8. This entire component is raised to the power of 1 over 4 multiplied with 1 negative x divided by 1 positive x. This entire thing is raised to the power of 6, and you have this in turn being raised to the power of 1 over 4. Now this is rewritten as 1 positive x. This is 8 and 4. So this is going to be 1 positive x raised to the power of 2 multiplied with 1 negative x divided by 1 positive x. This entire thing is now raised to the power of 6, but this component is raised to the power of 1 over 4. Now all this is what? Is nothing but 1 over, in fact it's sufficient that I start with 1 positive x raised to the power of 2 times 1 negative x raised to the power of 6. This entire thing is raised to the power of 1 over 4. So this is being rewritten like this. Okay, so the integral is going to be 0 to 1 over 2, 1 positive root of 3 divided by, this goes over here. Okay, so 1 negative is 1 positive x raised to the power of 2 multiplied with 1 negative x divided by 1 positive x. This is raised to the power of 6. This entire component is raised to the power of 1 over 4 times the dx. Now let me take 1 negative x divided by 1 positive x to be equal to some u. So if I were to differentiate this, this is going to be u over v formula, which is going to be v times u dash minus u times v dash divided by v squared. So it's going to be 1 positive x multiplied with u dash is negative 1, negative of u is 1 negative x, my v dash is going to be 1 divided by 1 positive x raised to the power of 2. Of course you have dx there, and this is equal to du. So this can be rewritten as negative 1 negative x negative 1 positive x times the dx divided by 1 positive x raised to the power of 2 is equal to du. So negative x positive x goes away, giving me negative 2 dx divided by 1 positive x raised to the power of 2 is equal to du. So I already have a dx divided by this over here, right? You see that? So this is equal to, I'm not going to touch anything connected with the limits. So 1 positive root of 3 is there. Dx over 1 positive x raised squared is equal to du. The 2 goes to the other end, so it's going to be 2 there with the negative side. I'm going to write it like this, right? So this is going to be my du divided by, this entire component is what? U. I just taken u raised to the power of 6, and this is in turn raised to the power of 1 over 4. So this probably we can substitute the limits, right? If we were to substitute the limits, okay, let me just set this up. This is negative 1 over 2 times 1 positive root of 3. Okay, and you have du divided by u raised to the power of 6 over 4. 6 over 4, 2 divides here 3 times, 2 divides here 2 times, so this is 3 over 2. Now I have the limits as 0 to 1 over 2. So u is equal to 1 negative x divided by 1 positive x. So when x is equal to 0, you have u is equal to 1, 0, u is equal to 1, x is equal to 0, 0, u is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1 over 2, what happens to u? U is equal to 1 negative 1 over 2 divided by 1 positive 1 over 2. This is 1 over 2, this is 3 over 2. So it's going to be 1 over 2 times 2 over 3 is going to be 1 over 3. Okay. So this is going to be x is equal to 1 over 3. So no, x is equal to 1 over 2 and my u value is going to be equal to 1 over 3. So the limits are going to be 1 to 1 over 3 and this is equal to, okay, so I need to get that negative 1 over 2 multiplied with 1 positive root of 3. Okay, so this is going to be u raised to the power of negative 3 over 2 times the du. So I need to set this up. So it's going to be 1 positive root of 3 divided by 2 negative. Okay, so this is going to be u raised to the power of negative 3 over 2 positive 1 divided by negative 3 over 2 positive 1. The limits are 1 to 1 over 3. So this actually is what? Is negative 3 over 2 positive 1. This is going to be negative 3 positive 2 divided by 2, which is nothing but negative 1 over 2. So I have a negative 1 over 2 there and I have a u raised to the power of negative 3 over 2 positive 1. The limits are already, we need to place in the limits, so it's going to be 1 to 1 over 3. Okay, so 1 positive root of 3 divided by 2, this negative goes up, and in fact 2 and 2 can be cancelled, giving me 1 positive root of 3, and you have u raised to the power of negative 3 over 2 positive 1. So that was going to give you a negative 1 over 2. The limits are 1 to 1 over 3. Okay, so we will have to substitute the limits. So if you were to substitute the limits, it's going to be 1 positive 1 over 1 positive root 3. I substitute the upper limit. In fact, I can push this down, right? It's going to be 1 over root u. The limits are 1 to 1 over 3. So it's going to be 1 positive root of 3. I have the limits up. The first limit is going to be 1 root of 1 over root 3 minus 1. Right, so you can flip this. So if you were to flip this, you get 1 positive root 3. So you're getting root 3 negative 1. So if you were to rewrite this as root 3 positive 1 multiplied with root 3 negative 1, you multiply these things, you get 3 negative 1, which is going to be equal to 2. So 2 is the solution. Oh, it's a beautiful question. Right, 2 is a value that we have got, and we need to do all this. Okay, for this beautiful question. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everybody.